messages, and I hope that every one of you was choosing is here. So without waste of time, let me hand over the Excellency with that person. Thank you.
Damian Asema. Joyce Frank Uto.
For us as a party, we are given leadership that is transparent, and we ensure a process that will culminate into the nomination of our candidate through a process that will be duly recognized and appreciated by even those aspirants themselves, so that at the end we shall focus on winning the 2023 election. And because we don't want people to become angry that they were shortchanged and manipulated and so on. And I think that in my several years of experience as a politician, I've contested elections and I've also seen or observed or supervised or participated in primaries that culminate into electing people who will fly the flag. And so each time a process is transparent, free and fair, even those who will ordinarily be contemptuous will accept. But where the process is shrouded in secrecy and manipulation and so on, it becomes a very difficult thing. And you see, what many people don't understand or don't know is that primary election is just step one to the process of somebody becoming an elected person. If you win primaries and you do not win the election, all your efforts is useless. You have not done anything. In fact, you live regretting for the rest of your life. Sometimes you have to spend all that you have. Sometimes you have to borrow. Sometimes you have to sell your own precious property or pledge it to go out there and make this thing. But if a process is such that you do not win, but it demonstrates that this is what the people want, and you come back and join the party and win, you'll be placed somewhere, or at least you'll be reckoned as part of the cause of the successes that we have recorded. So the point is that we have taken this step to ensure a free, truth, fair and transparent process. You will agree, because you have been part of our meetings, caucus meetings and stakeholders meetings that we have held. We have emphasized that we want a process that all the candidates that we bring forth will be through consensus arrangement. Unfortunately, others were able to achieve, some we did not. But the position of the leadership of the party is that we are not going to compel people to accept consensus. And for me, as a veteran politician, I know that when you're campaigning, no party man that you go or stakeholders that you go to, that they will send you away. One, they will be accepting that yes, you can win, and they'll be looking at your pocket. This one came yesterday, he brought this much. So this one, what is he going to give us? It's a normal thing in politics. So my take today is to charge you and encourage you on free, transparent, truthful process that nobody will come back and accuse you. And I decided with the leadership of the party, who now accepted my suggestion, that the chairman of the various electoral panel that we are going to go, let it be appointees of government. And the reason is that you have something at stake. When it is party people alone, most of them don't have anything at stake. Some of them will go and do what they want. They are even send the result to the chairman. They won't even come back to Secretariat. But we believe that you will not do that. But in the event that you are tempted to do that, please be coming with your resignation letter to your office, because you will not be allowed. I will personally go and block it. You will not enter that office. And that will be the end. But I have faith and trust that you will not do that. You have worked with me, and I believe that you stand your ground. And the reason that is that everyone who is contesting, for us, we could have our own interests. But that is not to say we are stopping anybody. We are going to do the same thing. The gubernatorial on the 25th, I believe that even those of you who are not delegated will be around to observe what will happen. I'm not going to compare anyone. Voting will take place. The process will start from the beginning to the end. And we're not going to accept any form of trying to shortchange anybody in the process that we're going to do. So the chairman told me that for each panel, 2 other additional party people will be selected that will work with you. But know that you're the chairman and you're in charge. Don't come and tell us stories here. Do the right thing. Don't worry, they are sharing the... So, that is why we're here. And to add to what the chairman said, all those rumors, they are rumors. The National Working Committee of the party are meeting currently, but we have spoken to him that there is no need to postpone the election again. We should go ahead with the process. People have spent money. The chairman is aware. We have settled all the people that were supposed to settle. I want to mention. But we have done everything. Everything is in place for the process to take place. And when you go there, please work with the security men. We are going to charge you, to charge the security men to work with you. And please don't allow any non-delegate to enter into that premises at your contact. You and your team, no delegate. In this case, the chairman has not printed observer's tag, so no observer should be outside. They should not go into it. And with the provision now, the delegates are very few. In my state constituency, for instance, there are only 12. It's 4 council wards, so there are only 12. Don't disappoint me. Do the right thing. The same thing with the governor. We have said that anybody who bought from and was cleared as will be given to you by the chairman, those who are contesting. They will give you the list. It's only those people that you work with them. If somebody said, I withdrew, but it was not written, and he came to say he's contesting, allow him to participate. Let the result of the delegates decide. Chairman, not be so. So that is it. I want to thank you very much. I know that you will not disappoint me because you don't want to leave your job yet. So, Chairman, thank you very much for this opportunity. God bless you. As between now and tomorrow, the National Working Committee will come out of their meeting. But for us as governors, we believe that the process should go on. If there are problems in other places, we still have a window because the last day of submission is 3rd of June. So that can be done. Anyway, thank you very much and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.